In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a paid community on Circle.so. This platform is an excellent tool for fostering engaging interactions within your community, and with this guide, we'll have your membership site set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Circle.so admin account. This step is straightforward, but it's the gateway to accessing all the features and tools necessary for building your community. Make sure you have your login details handy and head over to the Circle.so website. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar and find the Spaces tab. Click on it and then select Create Space. Think of spaces as distinct areas where specific discussions or interactions happen within your community. This is the first move in tailoring your community's structure. Next, it's time to give your new space a name and description. Enter a compelling name that reflects the intent or topic of the space, and a brief description that outlines what members can expect. After you've done this, click Next. Remember, clear and inviting descriptions can entice interest and set the right expectations for your members. As you proceed, scroll down to the Access/Membership section. Here you're going to specify that this will be a paid community space by selecting Paid Subscription. This choice is critical because it designates your community as one that offers added value, justifying the paid access. Following this, you'll need to set a price for access. Click on Set Price. Enter the amount you feel aligns with your community's value and then choose the billing type, whether it's a one-time payment or recurring subscription. Don't forget to hit Save to confirm your settings. These details are crucial as they define your community's financial structure. Now, for your community to handle transactions, you have to connect a payment gateway. Navigate to the Settings section, then to Payments, and choose either Stripe or PayPal as your processor. This step is essential for enabling smooth and secure payments from your members. After setting up your payment processor, it's time to configure the membership rules. Click Access Settings, decide who can join your community, and save your preferences. This step allows you to control the exclusivity of your community, perhaps limiting entry based on interests or other criteria. With all these settings configured, you can click Publish to launch your new paid community. Congratulations, your community is now live, ready to welcome members and facilitate enriching discussions. Lastly, if you wish to expand your community, click the option to share an invite link. This optional step is a great way to encourage membership growth, providing potential members an easy way to access and join your community while confirming payment. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating and launching a paid community on Circle.so. With your new digital space, you can now foster engagement, share exclusive content, and build lasting connections with members who value what you have to offer.